What's up? It's Joe with OCDetailing, and we have a really cool Model 3 behind us that, well, one of our customer actually came in for some window tint, and he was pointing out the clear ball install that he had dynamically done somewhere, and he was not super happy with it. So he wanted to show it to us and ask us what we thought. So just looking it over, I can see they didn't tuck and wrap the edges in. They left a bunch of dust under the film. They actually left an outline around this T. And when the customer went back to them and told them they weren't happy, he told them he wasn't happy with it. Their response was to say, well, if you pay us, we'll redo it. Which in my opinion is just bad customer service, because we would never do that to anybody. On the flip side, well, I guess this is something that I like to educate customers about, so that you know what you're getting. So it's really clear, it's really important. So when you ask a shop when they're going to do an install for you, are they wrapping and tucking edges in? Are they going to do a seamless install? Are they going to do things as simple like remove the T so that there's not a big outline around it? Because while these things do protect the paint when they do it this way, it's a difference of you know, looking really good over time too, because anywhere you have these lines on this, they're going to build dirt up on them and it's going to look bad over the course of a couple years. That's why we simply stopped doing seamed installs or stop not wrapping edges in. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. I'm Joe with OCDetailing.